These are clasps. So we have in different patterns like lobster. We have different sizes in that. So there's an opening for that, and this is very commonly used for chains and bracelet. It's a smaller one. For kids you can use the smaller ones. And this is toggle clasp. This also comes in various designs. So it has two components. The larger one with a hole and the other will go through it. So this is another toggle clasp, fancy ones. So these are used at end of the necklace. So this is also again a toggle clasp. I have attached earlier with the jump ring. So I have removed the jump ring. So now that can go through the hole. So these are the commonly used hooks, can be used for bracelet, and this is a spring type. It has a threaded hook, sometimes used in pearl necklace. So this is another type. So this has a hook kind. So for bracelet for men this can be used. So these are, and here you can see in the picture
you found this video
clasp,
useful.
and this
Thanks
is a
for
lobster.
watching.